Hello everyone, this is Sam from socialmediaonlineclasses.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use PicMonkey to edit fonts and backgrounds, including font style, size, and color. I'm going to start with my background. I'll be editing this rectangle overlay. Now you come over here to the overlay panel and select color 2, and you get this grid. And PicMonkey shows you in real time what the colors look like on your background. I don't want anything too distracting, so I'm just going to choose this nice blue. Now the background looks good. We're going to move on to the font. So with this text box right here, it's a little small at the moment. Since this is my title, I want it to take up a good portion of the background. I'm going to click in the bottom right on this small little dot right here, and you can do this on any of the dots in the corners. You click and then drag, and it increases the size without distorting it. Now that we have our font the size we want it, we can change the color. So again, over here in this panel, we're going to come, and this looks a little different than the background. Instead of a grid, you get a spectrum. So you just click this small dot here and drag it over the spectrum, and again it shows you in real time what the color looks like. Now I don't want anything too harsh or too bright, so I'm going to come up here and choose a soft blue that's going to accent the background well. That looks good. So moving on to font style. Again, select the text box. Now you're going to come over here to the left side in the text panel right here. And right now I have Arial. That's fine, but it looks a little bland. So you can come over and try out different font styles. And there are hundreds to choose from. PicMonkey gives you lots of options. So personally, I like Droid Serif. That looks good. Now let's go over it one more time. We're going to come down here, select the rectangle overlay, go to color 2. For this one, we want a nice accent to the blue, so we're just going to go with, again, a blue, but this time it's going to be softer and brighter. That looks good. Now we're going to come to the text itself. We're going to select it. You can either click on it or go to the layers panel and click on it there. We're going to make it match with Droid Serif, and now we're done. Now you're prepared to use these skills to make great graphics for yourself.